After a hard day of working your business project and making the project successful, your boss agreed to give you a day off. And so, you decided to travel and go have fun in the beach. While enjoying a refreshing sea breeze and tanning yourself under the scorching heat of the sun, the tremendously huge waves in the ocean caught your attention. These big ocean waves are just one of the many examples of waves that we encounter. So, what are waves? Waves are periodic disturbance that moves away from a source and carries or transmits energy without transferring matter. There are two types of waves, mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. The former require a medium while the latter do not. Under mechanical waves are longitudinal and transverse wave. What could be the difference between the two? Longitudinal waves are like a stretched spring. The oscillation or disturbance of a wave occurs parallel to the line of travel wave. An example is the sound wave. The sound wave moves from the lips of a speaker to the ear of a listener back and forth in the same direction. Whereas, the oscillation of transverse wave occurs perpendicular to the direction of the travel wave. A good example of transverse is the ocean wave. Electromagnetic waves. A combination of oscillating electric and magnetic fields, which are perpendicular to one another in the direction of the traveling wave. Examples of these waves are those that are found in the electromagnetic spectrum. To understand the characteristics of these waves, let us discuss the basic parts of waves first. Crests or peaks are the highest points in the waves, while troughs are the lowest points. Amplitude is the height of the crest or the depth of the trough. Frequency is the number of crests or troughs that pass through a point every second. Wavelength is the distance from one crest to another crest or from one trough to another trough. Whereas, period is the time taken to generate one complete wave. Lastly, speed is the distance of a wave in 1 second. And now, let us discuss the characteristics of waves according to their wavelengths, frequencies and energies. Wavelengths and frequency are inversely proportional to each other. A wave with short wavelength has a higher frequency and higher energy, while a wave with long wavelength has lower frequency and lower energy. This explains the various effects of radiation in the different forms found in the electromagnetic spectrum, which will be our next topic.